In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Elementor from WordPress. Whether you're switching up your website's design or simply looking to start from scratch to explore new options, removing a plugin like Elementor is a straightforward process. However, there are a few crucial steps you'll need to follow to ensure that everything is properly cleaned up. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Once you're comfortably settled into your dashboard, look over on the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find various options managing different aspects of your site, but today, we're focusing on the Plugins section. Hover over the Plugins menu, and in the drop-down menu that appears, click on Installed Plugins. This will bring you to a page displaying all of the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. Once you've arrived at the Installed Plugins page, take a moment to scan through the list. You're looking for two specific plugins. These are Elementor and Elementor Pro. It's important to note that you might have both versions of Elementor, the standard version and the Pro version. If you indeed have both installed, you'll need to tackle each individually. Begin by locating the Elementor plugin first. Making sure it's deactivated is crucial before you proceed with the deletion process. To do this, look just beneath the plugin name. There will be a link that says Deactivate. Click on this, and you'll notice the plugin shifts from its active state. Repeat this process for the Elementor Pro plugin if it is part of your setup. Deactivating the plugins first is an important step because WordPress doesn't allow you to directly delete an active plugin as a safety measure to prevent accidental system issues. Now that both versions of Elementor have been deactivated, you're ready to move on to the next stage, deleting the files. Right next to the Deactivate link you clicked on earlier, you'll now see a Delete option. Click on Delete for both Elementor and Elementor Pro. Confirm any prompts that ask you to verify your intention to delete. Doing so will remove the plugin's files from your site completely. WordPress does a thorough job by deleting all associated files in the WP Content Plugins folder. This ensures that no unnecessary remnants are left behind on your server, keeping your site clean. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to remove Elementor from your WordPress site. Taking these careful steps ensures a clean removal without affecting the rest of your website's functionality. Remember that any pages built with Elementor may not display correctly after these steps, so plan accordingly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more tips on managing your WordPress site.